Okay, now we shall look at the next kind of exponential equations that we are going to solve. Is this in example 2? Okay, solving exponential equation using substitution. Okay, we're going to learn how to solve exponential equation using substitution. Okay, so this is not covered in Emacs, so it's something that is learned in Emacs. So using substitution. Okay, you can study the word example 2. If not, you can look at the practice now 2, which I'm going to show you. Alright, so look at question 1. Solve the equation 4 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 2 minus 7 to the power of 2x. So you can see that I need to solve for the value of x. Okay, and then on my left hand side I have 4 to the power of x plus 1, and my right hand side I have this 2 to the power of x. Okay, and then I have this 2 constant term here, which makes it very complicated. Right, so the clue here is the 2 to the power of x. You look at 2 to the power of x, you can see that the left hand side, the 4 to the power of x plus 1, I can actually change it into 2 to the power of 2 square, right? 4 is 2 square. Okay, so replace the 4 with 2 square. Okay, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the power law to remove the bracket. So 2 times x plus 1, so I will have 2x plus 2, not 2x plus 1, it's 2x plus 2 because I multiply 2 to x and multiply 2 to the 1. Okay, so it looks something like this. Okay, and looking at this 2 to the power of 2x plus 2, right, there's something that you can do to it. Okay, what can you do to it? You can actually, 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 is actually 2 to the power of 2x times 2 square, right? Why? Because if you look at the first law of indices, the law 1, which is the product law, a to the power of m times b to the power of n equals, sorry, beg your pardon, a to the power of m times a to the power of n, what do? It's m plus n. So this one you are very familiar. If I give you a to the power of m plus n, it's the same as am times an, isn't it? So we are splitting up the indices into 2 indices using the product law. So this is what is going on there. So 2 minus 7 times 2 to the power of x. Okay, and we know the value of 2 square, right, is 4. Okay, let me continue here. Is 4 times 2 to the power of 2, okay, x equals to 2 minus 7 times 2x. Alright, and you can see that this 2 to the power of 2x, okay, I want to do something to this 2 to the power of 2x to make it similar to 2 to the power of x. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to bring the 2 outside. Okay, alright, so what I'm going to do next is, once I have the 2 to the power of x, now I'm going to do substitution. Using substitution, net, you can net use any alphabet, you can use A, B, C, D, okay, except x, okay, you can let it be any letter, so I'm going to use y, net y equal to 2 to the power of x. Okay, so the equation, the new look of the equation will be something like this. Replacing 2 to the power of x with y will be 4y squared equals to 2 minus 7y. Okay, and what does this look like? This looks like a quadratic equation, isn't it? Okay, sorry. Quadratic equation, right? Do you know how to solve quadratic equation? Of course you know. So 4y squared plus 7y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay? And then what you do next? You can either do factorization or you can do quadratic formula. Okay? Okay, so let's say I'm going to use factorization. Okay, it will be 4y minus 1, y plus 2 equals to 0. So y equals to 1/4 or y equals to -2. However, you are not solving this equation for y, right? You are solving for x. Okay, so now replace y with 2 to the power x. It will look like this. 2 to the power x equals to 1/4 or, or 2 to the power x equals to -2. Okay, so 2 to the power x, 1 over 4 is actually 1 over 2 square. So 2 to the power x, bring up the 2 square with 2 to the power -2, therefore x equals to -2. Then for this, okay, 2 to the power of any number, okay, 2 to the power of any number, right? If you sub in any value into your calculator, if you sub in any value of x into your calculator, it will always be positive. It's always a positive number. It's always positive. So if this 2 to the power x is always positive, equals to -2, what it means is there's actually no solution for x. So for this particular solution, right? Sorry, or should I say for this particular value there is no solution, but for this particular value 1/4 there is a solution of x equals to -2. So there's only one answer. You can write no solution or not applicable, okay, or no real roots. So the only real root is x equals to -2. Okay, so that's the idea of solving the exponential equation using substitution. Okay. Alright, I won't be going through question 2 because this one is you're not ready to do question 2. So question 1 should be enough already. Alright, so I will try to